How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your PlayStation verification code not sending. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually check for the PlayStation status. And here, let's go ahead and search for PlayStation status servers and just make sure that they are not having a problem whatsoever. So in here, we have the account management, which is the thing that is responsible for the verification codes. And then basically you just want to make sure that you have a strong internet connection and connectivity. You want to use the Wi-Fi first. Right after, you also want to try using your mobile data, and then try restarting your phone, and then try turning on and off the airplane mode. This will simply reset our connection for a brief second. And then right after, you then want to check whether you have a carrier block. And the last thing that you want to do is to just head over to your Google right here, and you want to check for the spam mails. You also want to check for all mails and something like stared and many more. So once again, just go ahead and feel free to explore onto your Gmail if it contains your verification code right here. But in my case, I'm not going to open because this is my private mail. You could also try contacting the PlayStation support to see if that resolves the problem itself. But you could try checking out the trash mail, the spam mail right here. And basically from there, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.